Good morning students. I am Shama Bag, acting as an assistant professor in Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj Nasik. In previous lecture we are discussed about the significant figures, their rules for addition, subtraction. Okay. Today we will discuss about multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. And division. First we will discuss about multiplication. Okay. For multiplication we first take example, that is 16.4 into 0.3196. Okay. Now you have to find out how many significant figures in this multiplication. Okay. For this, if you see in this, it has 3 significant figures. This second has 4 significant figures, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 1, 2 and 3. When we take multiplication, okay, our product is 5.24144. Okay. Now how many significant figures are present in this multiplication? Okay. First rule is first rule. We have to first find out how many minimum or least accurate figure in this. Okay. In this less accurate or least accurate, number is 16.4, having 3 significant figures. Okay. Why it is less accurate? It gives only up to 0.1 while it gives 0.0001. Okay, so it is least accurate or more uncertain, having 3 significant figures. In this second rule is second component, that is second component have 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 significant figures. 4 significant figures. Here second component is 0.3196, having 4 significant figure. So it is right as it is. Okay. Third condition is your result should have same significant figure number, means same number of significant figure which are present in least accurate or more uncertain, least accurate number. Okay. So your least accurate number have 3 significant figure. Therefore your result should have 3 significant figure. Okay. When you multiply this, okay, this answer is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of significant figure. But by rule you have only having three number of significant figure. So you write this 5.24144 as 5.24. So your answer is 5.24 having three significant figure. Okay. Now we will take second example. Second example. In second example, 1.34 is multiplied by 1.389 is multiplied by 0.5868. Okay. If you multiply this, your answer is 22.7642. Okay. If you calculate this, first number have three significant figure, second have four significant figure, this is also have four significant figure, and in answer it has six significant figure. Okay. In all these three figures, less accurate is 1.34 because it gives only 2 digits after decimal. So our first thing is least accurate. Least accurate number is 1.34. Okay. It has three significant figures. Okay. Second rule. Therefore, other figures, other component, that is other components have other components should have 3 plus 1 equals to 4 significant figures. Okay. So we write this 1.34 into 1.389 as it is. It has 4 significant figure into 0.5868 as it is, because it also has 4 significant figure, and answer is 22.7642. Okay. Third rule. Your result should have same number of significant figure which are present in least accurate number. It has 3 significant figures. So your answer 22.7642 is 22.8 because it is having 6. Okay, we have maximum 3 number of significant figure. Due to this 6, okay, we add 1 here as we earlier seen in our rules of significant figures. So your answer is 22.8 having 3 significant figures. Okay, this is about multiplication. Now we will discuss about the division. In multiplication and division, rules are same. First example for division. Now we will discuss about division. First, 63.21 divided by 0.012. First is less accurate or least accurate number. Least accurate number is 0.012, having two significant figure. Second rule, other components should have 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 significant figure. Therefore, other components 63.21 having 4 significant figure, we take it as 63.2 because we should have only 3 significant figures by rule. Okay. See, so make division of this, that is 63.2 divided by 0.012. Its answer is 526.6666. Okay. Now fourth rule is your result. Result should have same number of significant figures as these are present in least accurate number. It has 2 significant figure, so our answer should have 2 significant figure. So we write 5266.6666. Okay, is nothing but 5.2 into 10 raised to 3. We make here decimal is shifted to here. So these are 2 significant figure. Okay, so your answer have 2 significant figures. Okay, this is about division. We will take first example. Now take second example. Second example, 6.4361 divided by 0.284. Okay, in this example, least accurate number is 0.284 having 3 significant figure. Okay. Therefore, other component should have 3 plus 1 equals to 4 significant figure. Therefore, other component is 6.4361 having 5 significant figures, but we have only 4 significant figures. So we write this as 6.436 having 4 significant figures. Okay. Third is, now make division of this, that is 6.436 divided by 0.284 equals to 22.66197. Okay. But answer should have only 3 significant figures, as these are present in less accurate number. So we write this 22.66197 as 22.7 because we have only 3 number of significant figure and this is 6. If last digit is 5 or more than 5, then previous is add by 1 by rule of significant on or rounding of figures. So it is right as 22.7. Okay, this is about division. Means when you make multiplication or division, your first step is first find out less accurate or more uncertain number. Okay, count the number of significant figures in this. Okay, other component have more than one significant figures only. Okay, here it is 3, so it is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and answer have same number of significant figures which are present in your less accurate number. Okay, thank you.